Welcome to your new Obkio account. This video will introduce you to the Getting Started checklist to help you quickly and easily onboard with Obkio's network performance monitoring app. You can access this feature through the Getting Started tab, which is available in the app's sidebar. This checklist will present you with the recommended steps to take when you access your account to continue the default configuration provided to you by the onboarding wizard. When you open the Getting Started feature, you'll see a checklist of tasks, as well as a progress bar of tasks that have been completed. The steps that have already been completed are crossed out in the checklist. As you can see, I have already completed 2 out of the 5 tasks in this example. You can click the tasks directly for more details on how to complete them, either in text form or by watching the tutorial video embedded directly in the app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to accomplish a task in the checklist. For this example, let's choose the Create a Dashboard task. First, click on the task, watch the video tutorial, and complete the instructions. For this specific task, click the Dashboards tab. Click the 3 little dots icon on top and select Add New Dashboard. Once you've added a new dashboard, the task will have been completed since that was all I had to do. There are other optional steps in this task, for example, to name the dashboard. I'm going to do that now by naming the dashboard my second dashboard. There is also another optional step about adding widgets in your dashboard to visualize more information. But as you can see, the task has been completed automatically and checked off, and the progress bar has also been updated. If you wish to skip any tasks recommended in Obkio's checklist, you can simply click on the task to manually mark it as completed. You can also reset a task that has been completed, either automatically or manually. Simply click the checkmark icon to reset the task so that you can remember to complete it yourself in the future. When all the tasks are completed, like they are in this account, simply click on Complete Checklist, and you'll then have access to the second checklist, which will show you even more options and advanced features to explore in your Obkio account. These additional steps will also be accompanied by an instruction video to help you learn more about all the features of Obkio's network performance monitoring app. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team by email or using the chat feature on our website or directly in the app. Thank you for watching, and we hope that this video helps you quickly and easily get started with Obkio.